And today, my daughter is going to feed the chicken. Are you ready, baby? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Pull this. Move this. Move the board. Alright, I'm not give you so much work. Alright, come. Let's go, baby. Chicken. Yeah, baby, let's go. Jump in. Step over. Oh, step down. Oh. Let's go. Go, baby. Go feed the chicken. Go and box him. Box him. Yeah, go and feed another one. Go for them, promise. Yeah, go under here so for them, baby. Go under here so for them. Come, see me, box him. Come, me help you, baby. Yeah, go on for them, promise. Go on for them. Take up one of them. Go and take up one of the chicken, them, baby. Go on for him, promise. Go for him. Take him up, baby. Take him up. Yeah, take him up. Take him up, baby. Take him up. Go on for him, baby. Go for him. See him there? Go for him over there, sir. See him over there, sir. Promise. Yes. Go for them. Go for them. Go for them. Yeah, baby. Take up one of them. Catch him. See him over here, sir. Take him up. Yeah, man.
Come on.
Go on, go catch him. See him over there, so baby. Go for him. Come to promise. Yeah, you catch him. Yeah, promise catch him. Can't come, baby. Can't come. You let him go. Go for him, man. What you let him go for? Go on for him, promise. Can't come. Yeah, baby. Go catch him. Go catch him. Go and catch him, Pumpkin. Go and catch him. Don't afraid of him. You not catch him yet? I'm catch one for you. Or daddy catch one for you? Let me show you the small chicken first. Come. Give me a hand, baby. Alright. Come lift up here. You don't want to come up here and look on these one? Give me a next one. Alright, guys. One I'm doing this. Jump over. Right. Yes, baby. Take him up. Take up a small chicken now, baby. Yeah, take up one of them. Go on and Punky. Take him up. See him there? See him there? Take him up. Yeah. Yeah, go on for him, promise. Catch him, baby, catch him. Catch him, baby. Yeah! Catch him, promise. Catch him, baby, catch him. So you throw him over there, so. What him there by himself? I'm on over there, so. Go on for them now, one. Yeah. Catch him. Yes, baby. Give him some water. Give him some water. Feed him. Give him some water. See it. Put him in head here, so. Come. You put in head like this, baby. Yeah. Drink water. Hold him. Put in head there now. In just fling them on over there, so. You want over here, so.
Chicken. Yeah, what catch him.
Alright, 3 of them should cross over now. Ah! Why you throw them down so hard? Catch him, catch him, catch him. Eh. Catch him. Yes. Yeah. Yes, you give him some feeding and him run gone, baby. Oh, this is so fun for her. She really loves them. No joke. Yay! I'm so happy for you. Yes, baby, chicken. So you're gonna take all of them and cross them over, baby? Okay, cool. You ready now? You hear the bike? Go on for the chicken. Don't worry about the bike. Good girl. Go for the chicken. I'm videoing, Mom. Mom, me a video, Mom. Mmm. Oh, God. Throw him over, baby. Yeah. They're moving so fast for you, right? Ah, my gosh, you almost catch him. Go, Promise, go. Go, Promise, go, go. Go, Prom. Hey! Yes, yes, baby. Good girl. He dropped from you. Catch him again. He's in the pan and he's running from Promise. He's running from Promise and Promise is gonna catch him. Catch him, baby. One wing. One wing. Go. That's so much. She already picked up. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's that? 8? Oh, that's 9. That's 9 chicks. And this one's gonna make 10. Ooh, it's flapping. Oh, that's 10 chicks now. Oh, she have that one right by his neck. Right by his neck, he's choking. Let it go. Yes, baby, good girl. Mmm. She's going. She's going. Oh my gosh, she's going. Yes, go to Promise. Catch him, baby. Catch him. He's running from you, Pumpkin. Go get him. Go get him, Promise. Grab those critters. Yes. Yes, 2 1 time. Yeah. That's my strong baby.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Dog.
Jump. Oh my gosh, you threw that one. Oh my gosh, Prom, you threw that one. Oh my gosh. Don't hurt grandma chickens, alright? You ready to leave now? Chicken. Move. Let's go for the big ones now. Yeah, let's leave the small ones. Let's go. She's so heavy, man. I'm just kidding. Go for the big ones again now. You wanna go back up there? You wanna go back up? You wanna go back up, right? Alright. Box him first. Box him first. Go box him and come back. Box him. Don't want to box that one, she want to box the smaller ones. So you have strength for the smaller ones, huh? Huh? You see it? She have strength for the smaller ones, but not the big ones anymore. Seems like she get tired of them, you know? Prom prom. You ready now? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Go like this. Bye-bye. Prom prom. Look up, baby. Look, baby. Look. Look, baby. Look in the video, Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Seems like you ain't ready. You're doing your own thing. Prom. Are you ready now? Alright, go for that chicken and let's say goodbye. Go for that chicken. Take him up. Good girl, take him up. Put them over here. You want to take out the last one first? You want to take that last one up? You want to take him up? Good girl. Yay! And that's all of them. Good girl. What? What's she up to? What's she really up to? She's like she's going over there for them. You climb? Put over your foot. Put over one of your foot. Oh man, she's so busy. Go. Next foot. Alright. Man, she's so busy. She'll bounce right up. Hush, baby. And you're throwing them back over. Alright, cool. You throw back one and you're ready. So why are you doing the chick like that? The chicken. The chicken looking back at you. What you gonna do with the chicken? Alright, baby, let's go. Come on. You're not ready? She's not ready as it, Pumpkin. You ain't going for the chicken. You Ain't going for the chicken. She's just having a little time with them, you know. Punch their head up. And? Ooh, you crossed him back over. Good girl. Clap, clap, clap for Dada. Hey. And she's back down. And she's ready for the big ones. Get up, tell him get up. Slap him in the head. Yes, move around. Yeah, come on, sit down and promise there, you know, so don't forget active. When you say promise. Go on for them. Sit them down there so see all of them there. Go on for them. For march out when they say promise at work now. You finish boss them up, my baby? Boss baby?
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
No.
Yeah. Chicken. Now go for them. You finish now? Baby tired now? Seems like she wanna come out now. Daddy help you out. Oh, she's out now, alright. She's leaving now. Oh my gosh, she almost fall. Oh, Daddy got you though. Oh, yes, Daddy have your hand, baby, don't worry. Can you turn around for me? Look here for a second. Hey, baby. Can you say goodbye for me? Oh, you're closing the door, alright. Oh, Hey, turn around, Pumpkin. Say goodbye. Alright. Alright, guys, and that's the end of the video. Please remember to go over, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to like the video. Alright? Love you all. She's going to grandma now.